i35equipment.com. This is the John Deere 650J Bulldozer. Full cab, factory AC and heat with cold working air conditioning. Excellent undercarriage. Hydraulic rear grippers. This machine is shown by appointment only, so please give us a call to get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. If you'd like a hauling quote, please fill out the form on our website. Get to work on that for you. 6-way blade with the brush guard. Appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Hope it was beneficial to you, and look forward to hearing from you soon. Hope you have a great day.